the? What's that mean? What's that mean? Or you? I love you, ball. And I don't care how dirty you get from the dirt and the grass and the dirt and the dirt and all the dirt. I just love you. You know. Oh, is that the last one? Let me get that. Oh yeah, I like that. That's a chiller I like. Appreciate that. Hey, mama, you call me? You call me, mama?
Look at this.
The number you have reached has been disconnected or is no longer in service. No, you ain't over here. I knew you ain't over here. I told you I was gonna whoop you next time. Man, let me get off this muscle shirt. I'm gonna whoop you. Hey, what you got there? Some kitty treat? Wait a minute. Wait, this tastes like some medicine. Oh, hell no.
Get up on this table and eat this food? Huh? Was it you, Oreo? Did you do it?
Man, look, I've been on this couch watching TV, man. You know he did it. Look at his face. Look how stupid he look. Look at it. Ask him if he did it.
Was it you?
See, look at that stupid look on his face.
Huh?
That's a dead giveaway.